the most physically demanding step. First, place the tip of the knife at an inward oblique angle. Hammering out also has to control the thickness of the steel embryo. The cutter root is pressed out again by the press. The following can be done in an eager way. The auxiliary feel is removed. The details of the knife root have to continue to be adjusted by beating. After all, it was a little short when the pressure was broken just now. At the same time, a wave of correction was carried out on the knife body. Break so far. The Uzi knife embryo is roughly formed. Next, it needs to be ground with a belt machine to remove impurities. The beading marks on the surface must also be cleaned together. And you pull out your marker. Draw outline reference. Shape the blade. Then put it in a high-temperature furnace and heat up at 830 degrees. This step is the most critical quenching and strengthening step. The blade is straight and there is no problem. Brother, draw the center line on both sides of the blade and blade. And we use convex and concave membranes for the final shape. And the finish is quite shiny and neat. It's exquisite. The blade is also finely ground. Then take out the glass Coke bottle. Here comes a strength test of the edge and back of the knife. Scratches on the blade are deeper than the blade. And the grinding didn't end there. The great god applies the grinding cream and grinds it again before it is completed. The blade effect is more beautiful. Then came the knife handle production link. This piece of carbon fiber material will be used as the handle and scabbard. First, mark the drilling position of the tool tip. Precision drilling with a drill. And with hand grinding reaming. In this way, you can make knife feet and knife shapes. The opening of the knife root needs to be softened with a spray gun first. Go to the drill floor and punch a fixed hole. After all, the hardness of woozy steel after quenching is even worse. Then comes the production of the knife handle. Draw the outline. Take out the cutter root slot in the form of grinding. The scabbard was the same. 2 handles. Fixation with epoxy resin and nails. For aesthetics. The scabbard is also bonded with gum. Similar to forging in Damascus. Uzi steel also needs to be pickled to show lines. It's already there. Mission end. Grinding adjustments to handle and scabbard. You're basically done. The polished scabbard has a matte texture. Brother doesn't like it very much. Spray on varnish for more texture. The fine patterns of the knife body are scattered. It's exquisite. The wavy blade pattern is also looming. Quite eye-catching. So do you think this knife is worth 70,000 renminbi?